Hello. Audible? Tanmay, am I audible?
Yes,
Screen is visible?
yes, it's visible.
Okay. The question is the height of a cone is 30 centimeter. Okay. Now we will start from a beautiful figure. Okay. Let us make a cone first, which will make our solution interesting. Okay. Now here there will be a radius. Let us make it big R. We are representing it. Okay. A small cone is cut off at the top by a plane parallel to the base. Plane parallel to the base means there is a small cone which is cut from this figure. We will draw like this. And here also there will be one radius of this circle. This will be
Small
represented
r.
as small r. Okay. This is clear. Now what
Yes,
is told, if its volume be 1 by 20, if its volume means the volume of this small cone, okay, volume of the small cone, let us take it as 1 by 3 pi r square h. Let this height be,
h.
this be h, okay, small h. Now its volume has been taken, but it has been given already that if its volume be 1 by 27 of, means if its volume is means is equal to, okay, 1 by 27 of, 1 by 27 of
Of
what?
volume of original cone.
The bigger one. The bigger one's height is how much? Bigger one's height is 30 centimeter.
Uh,
Let us
Large
write
means
this.
capital H.
Yes, we will write it as 30 centimeter. You can write in bracket
Oh,
as
30 centimeter. It's
capital
clear.
H. Okay. Means now here we will write 1 by 3. Pi will remain same. R will be bigger in size and H will be bigger in size.
30.
Okay. This one is understood.
Yes,
Now this 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 can cancel out.
and pi also.
Pi also will cancel out. Good. Now what can we write? We are left with R square H
R square H is equal
equal
to
to 1 by
1 by
27
27 R
into
square H.
R square into
H means
by
30.
H. Now we can write 30 here, isn't
Uh,
it?
it
The
will
bigger
be
H
30
is how
by
much? 30
3
centimeter. So now we can write 3 nines are 27 and 3 tens are 30.
and 10 0.
Now this will be equal to how much? 10 by 9 R square. Okay. And now the values which we have written, this R is not known, this H value is not known, and this big R value is not known. Okay. Now we are left this
Yes,
equation R square H. Now we don't know anything. We can't solve this equation like this. Okay. So this is the first thing that we have got. Now we will have to find out something else. So what else we know here? We know that when we join this one like this is 90 degree and this is also 90 degree. Okay.
yes.
Both these angles are 90 degree. Now, this angle will be equal to this angle. Is this true?
Uh, uh,
Let us name the vertex also A, B, C,
B, C,
D,
D and
E
E.
here. Have you learned about parallel lines when they are bisected or there is a transverse like this? Then these angles will
Oh,
be equal.
yes, yes,
So if this is a parallel cone here which is cut, so obviously this BC will be parallel to DE and
yes.
AE is the transverse. That
Yeah.
means the angle ACB, that is this one, will be equal to angle
And AED.
AED, that is this one, okay? And this 90 degree is
And
already equal. And this
one
vertex is
common.
common for both the triangles. Let's take it as
Yes,
double dash. Hai na? Now, we know that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE, isn't
ABE.
it? So if these both are means similar, then let us go to the next page. Okay, I'm clearing this page. There is no space here.
Yeah.
Now we know that triangle ABC, okay, is similar to triangle ADE. Okay, let me draw this
Yes.
again here. This is the cone we are having here. This is joint. Let us take one more cone here. Let this be figure be like this, and we will draw one more circle here. This one is the center. This is small r, and this one is the big R. This is 30 centimeter,
30 centimeter.
and this we had taken as small h.
H.
This we
Small
can
h.
write it as h also. And what equation we had got? Have you written that?
Yes.
This angle. What equation was the equation one we wrote just now? What was that? The last
Equation one
equation.
was R square H
R square
is
means
equal
small
to,
r.
yeah, small
R square
R
H.
square H is
Okay.
equal to
Hmm.
10 by 9 H R square H
10 by 9
R square H.
R square H. H was already 30.
Yes, 30. So only R square.
Only R square.
Yes.
Is this equation we got missed? This was the first equation.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let us name the vertex A, B, C. Let this be D. Let this be E. Okay. Now we have written triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. That
ADE.
states that the ratio of the corresponding sides, the ratio of the corresponding sides
Are
are
proportion.
equal. Ratio of the corresponding
Equal.
sides are equal. Okay, means the sides are in proportion, but the ratio of corresponding sides will also be equal. That
Equal.
is, if we write AB divided by AD, that will be equal to R by R. This is R, this
R.
is R. Okay. Understood this much?
Yes.
AB is the height, H1, H. So we can write here H by AD is what?
AD is uh, H. Large H.
That means 30
30.
na? No, 1 minute. AB by AD. This AD I'm talking about. AD is from here to here,
30.
this bigger one, 30, isn't it? So we can
Yeah.
write here 30 is equal to R by R, like this. Okay.
Mm.
So if we are getting this equation, let us take it as 2. Okay. Now here we
Yes.
can also write this equation, first equation as R will be here only and big R will be brought left side. Now we can write like this, R by R whole square is equal to 10 by 9. And this H is coming right side, we can write it as 1 by H. Okay, this can be written.
Yeah.
So let us take it as equation 1. Okay. Now what we can we write? This R by R can be replaced by what? The value that we have taken in equation 1, that is 10 by 9H. Here we can write 10 by 9H, isn't it? This is
Yes.
H by 30 is equal to R by R, that we have written. So
Yes.
from 1 and 2 equation, what we can write? H by 30, this is H by 30. And this R by R we have already written. H by 30 means now we are not having space here. Let me clear this page and write it again, okay? So from 1 and 2 I am writing, okay? From 1
1 and
and
2.
2, okay? We can get H by 30, that is R by R whole square, is equal to 10 by 9 into 1 by H.
Yes.
Can we write like this? Is this much clear?
Yes.
H by 30 whole square, because H by 30 was equal to what? R by R.
Yes.
So R by R whole square is equal to 10 by 9 into 1 by H.
10 by
Now
9
what
into
can we
1.
write? We can write it as this will be H square divided
H
by
square by
900
900
will be
is
equal to
equal
10
to
by
10
9
by
H.
9H.
Now cross multiply. That means H
So
cube will
H
be equal
cube
to
is equal
10.
to 9000 by
10 into 9
9
will be equal to 9000. Okay.
by 9.
We have got 9000 here. That should be,
But
I think, 10,000. What we have done? Here 9 is also there, na?
yes,
This 9 will be
that's
going here.
9H cube.
This is 9H cube. Okay. Now that means H cube will be equal to what? 9000
H cube will
divided by
be
9
1000
means 1000. That means H will
and
be
H
equal
will be
to cube root of 1000,
10.
which is equal to 10, and that was in centimeter. This H only we wanted to have. Was this the question? We wanted to
The
find out the H,
question
na,
was,
the height of the smaller
yeah,
cone that we have cut, isn't it?
yes, what
So
is
is
the height
everything
of the
clear? Any doubt in
process,
this
right?
question? Any doubt in this solution we have done?
Uh, yes, we have done, no, we have to find the, I think that
What?
height of that smaller cone.
That only we have found. See, here this was the figure, okay? This was the cone we had. This was the smaller cone we had. And this we had taken as h. This is only the height of the smaller cone that we have found here, h. 10 centimeter. This is
But
10
it is
centimeter.
saying that
Huh.
the section has been made, means the height between the base of the smaller cone and the base of the original big cone.
Base of the smaller cone and the... Okay, let me see
Means
the question
it
again.
is
1 second.
asking the difference between their heights.
Let me
Means
see the question. One
we
second.
have
That
to
also we can
find
find out. If its volume is
the
1 by
distance
27,
between
at
the
what height above the base the section has been made? At
yeah
what
means
height
20
above the base
centimeter
means?
will be the
At
answer.
what height above the base? You mean to say that this height we have to find out?
30 minus 10 means 20
Uh, means at what height above the base means this is the thing, that let it be x, okay? Now this x will be equal to what? 30 minus 10
x is equal to 30 minus 10,
is equal to 20
20
centimeter.
centimeter.
Okay, understood? So this is our final answer, 20 centimeter, isn't it?
Yes,
Now is everything clear? Or any doubt
yes,
remains? No doubt?
yeah, all clear.
Okay. Now I will end up.
Yes,
Okay, bye.
bye.